The 360 Fly action camera will be available online this month and rolling out across Best Buy in October. So what's interesting, Peter, is that you guys, this camera has been in development for a decade. Tell me about that.
Yeah, I mean, I obviously joined the company recently. I think the focus for 360 Fly is really to start to move people away from looking at video cameras in a one dimension and start capturing the rest of the parts that they're missing. So I think really our focus is to make sure that we innovate in 360 space, we innovate in this area. I mean, action cams are really starting to explode. I think a lot of people are missing a lot of the content, and I think that what we're trying to do is enable them to do that. And I think that we are in our infancy when it comes to 360 video, but for those who've used it, and I was a big point of view camera, I was a big GoPro user. Once I found this product and experienced this product and the ability to be able to capture everything around me, so to not miss 90% of the action, I think is really compelling.
And you're actually looking at a live demo of the 360 Fly camera right now. Your camera only has one lens. So I want to talk a little bit about the technology of it. It does have a blind spot, but how do you still get that spherical look with just one lens?
Well, I mean, the software that these guys have developed, obviously our founders came out of Carnegie Mellon, out of the robotics lab. They've been working on this for a long, long time. It is very difficult to do. It's not something that's very, very simple to do, and I think that the challenges that these guys have come over, you know, I'm a big single camera, single lens guy. I think that that's the future of where we're going. I think the spherical stitching images together and doing down that process, I think is something that works probably better for stills, but not so much for video. We're very much around video. We're very much around action. I mean, we've got obviously 2 hours of record time. And when you think about that, that's 2 hours of record time with almost like 6 GoPros running. So you're grabbing a bunch more content. But I will say that the part that makes us a little bit different is we're all about shooting and sharing and swiping in a matter of minutes. So we've really focused heavily on the smartphone. We're focused heavily on the ability to be able to edit on the smartphone. So our whole concept is it's good to capture it, and I think that that's really important, and everyone talks about the capturing and the quality of capturing. I think the most important, if not more important, is how do you share that amongst your friends, and I think that that's where we've spent a tremendous amount of our time.
Well, it's interesting you say that, Peter, because actually when we were using your app, we had a little bit of trouble actually taking it out of the app and getting it onto our system to edit it.